Welcome to today's video. One of the most impactful developments in machine learning is boosting. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? In this video, we'll dive into the world of boosting algorithms and explain how they transform weak learners into powerful tools for machine learning. Boosting is a method used to improve the performance of machine learning models. It takes multiple weak learners' classifiers that aren't highly accurate on their own and combines them into a strong learner that's much more accurate. This concept was introduced in 1990 by Robert Shapiro in his paper, The Strength of Weak Learnability. Shapiro showed that even weak classifiers, which only slightly correlate with the true classification, can be transformed into strong learners when combined correctly. So how does boosting actually work? It uses multiple weak classifiers, weighting their outputs to create a strong classifier. The key here is the training process. Each time a new classifier is added, the algorithm focuses on the mistakes made by previous classifiers. One of the most popular algorithms that uses this method is AdaBoost, which stands for adaptive boosting. AdaBoost adjusts the weights of misclassified data points to improve accuracy with each iteration. So there are a bunch of other ways to boost stuff, like total boost, MetaBoost, brown boost, XBoost will boost logic boost. But AdaBoost isn't the only boosting algorithm. There are many others, like total boost, MetaBoost, brown boost, XBoost, and logic boost. While these algorithms follow the same principle of combining weak learners, they differ in how they handle and weight data points. Each of these algorithms has its strengths and is used for different kinds of tasks. For example, XBoost has become incredibly popular for its performance in structured data tasks, often outperforming other algorithms in competitions. All of these algorithms are supported by the AnyBoost environment, a flexible framework that allows different boosting algorithms to be applied in machine learning tasks. Boosting has changed the way we approach machine learning, helping weak classifiers become strong performers. If you're diving into machine learning, understanding boosting is essential for building accurate and reliable models. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into machine learning and AI.